guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a video on a set of floor mats that I bought from GM. Now you might be thinking to yourself, it's a pretty lame video, making a video about floor mats, and you'd be right, it's pretty lame. There's lots of guys out there that have these Colorados and Silverados. Now these floor mats are for the Colorado, but you can buy pretty much the same thing from GM that are made for the Silverado. Anyway, I'll show you one of the issues that I have with these cheap mats. Okay, because I drive this truck all winter, you track in and out a lot of snow and salt and stuff. So I bought these cheap rubber ones, but what happens, you straighten that mat out, and a couple days later it'll be right back over there again. Well, the ones we got actually fasten to the floor so they won't move. Now the truck's pretty dirty right now. We're going to clean it before I put the new ones in. Okay, so here's the floor mats we're talking about. I got them right from GM, and they're kind of molded, so they'll keep any of the melted snow and the water and stuff on the mat instead of going on the carpet. So I'll just cut this tag off, and then we'll go put it in the truck, see what it looks like. Okay, so I just give her a quick and ugly cleanup here. My vacuum's not very good, so I'm not, like I say, I drive this all winter long, so it's going to get a lot worse. But anyway, the floor mat, you can just slide her in, and then it'll fasten right on them little clips that come in the truck so they don't move. And you look, see how they're molded to come up here and up on the sides a little bit. What that'll do, that'll help keep when you're tracking snow in and out, it'll help keep the water in here instead of getting on the carpet. Okay, so here's the passenger side one. So I'll tuck that right down in there. Oh yeah, they fit real nice, and they cover a lot more than the original ones. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.